Before you decide on a service provider to install your new windows, you should ask these 5 questions. Start with, what should I expect? Every room in your house could be involved in a window replacement, so you should be prepared for a pretty intense project. As with any home improvement, you'll want to know what your options are. At Sears Home Services, all of our windows are customizable. You can choose your favorite style during your free in-home consultation. You should also ask, how long will it take? Once the windows are manufactured and inspected, the installation process should take about 5 days. It's a good idea to know who will help you throughout the process. Make sure you get a single point of contact who will handle everything from permits to scheduling. Finally, ask about tax credits. At Sears Home Services, all of our windows are ENERGY STAR certified, which means you could be eligible for a tax credit. These 5 questions will help you choose the best window replacement company for your home.